of honor, respected school's district supervisor, and the duly authorized representative of the school's division superintendent, Mr. Cesar A. Acevedo, our very understanding principal, Mr. Ronaldo P. Sabado, school administrators of the different elementary schools of Balesteros, dedicated teachers, supportive municipal and barangay officials who are with us today, beloved parents, fellow graduates, ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant afternoon. March 24, 2014. I think we will all agree that this day is definitely not ordinary. Today, we acknowledge the people we met, the lessons learned, the tears shed, the laughter released, and the memories made in our 6 years as elementary pupils. Since education is a continuing process, therefore, it doesn't end today. It goes on and on because God designed it this way, so that we can grow in all aspects. We shall be the third batch of 8 to 12 graduates 6 years from now, and we are halfway through to this marathon. And so, people expect much from us because they know that we have filled our minds with appropriate knowledge and wisdom, and our hearts with values and love through the help of our parents and beloved mentors. In facing another chapter of our educational journey, we will be encountering inevitable challenges, but we must face them for they make us stronger and truly realize our worth as a true Filipino. High schoolers will surely face trials, challenges, and problems, but the fruit of this will be the sweetest. This is the challenge, and you have to finish it till the end. Hindi natitinag ang pusong Pilipino sa ating sariling pangunawa, hindi matitinag ang kanyang puso sa mga hamon ng buhay. Kapag nagamit na niya ang hukok na edukasyon. Mga kabagaw na nagsipagtapos, sana wala isa sa atin ang mapasama sa napakahabang listahan ng dropouts sa bayan ng Balesteros. Kapag nakatungtong na tayo sa high school, alam niyo ba, sa buong probinsya ng Cagayan, pangalawa ang ating bayan sa may pinakamaraming dropouts o tumigil sa pag-aaral. At hindi ito katakataka. Marami tayong nakikita na hindi pumapasok sa eskwela. Ano kaya ang dahilan? Kahirapan? Katamaran? Kawalan ng interes sa mga gawain sa loob ng silid-aralan? Di kaya naubos ang pasensya ng kanilang guro dahil sa kanilang taglay na disiplina? Ano man ang dahilan, pangarap ko'y tayo masulat sa kanila. Mga kapapong mag-aaral, sana lagi natin alalahanin ang pag-iusap ni Ma'am Armida at ng lahat ng guro natin na huwag tayong tumulad sa mga nakikita natin wala ng interes sa kanilang pag-aaral. Mag-aaral tayo, magpakabait at magpakaresponsable sa lahat ng panahon. Nang sa gayon ay titibay at lalakas pa ang ating mga puso sa pagharap sa mga umos ng buhay na darating. According to Henry Ford, obstacles are those frightful things you see when you take off your eyes from your goal. To my parents, mentors, and friends, thank you so much to all of you for straightening my perspective when I fearfully glance to the side. You have made me realize that the only true trials are those that we impose upon ourselves. Let me also take this opportunity to challenge your fellow graduates to make a commitment to our dear alma mater. As we follow the path of departure, let us be very confident and strong enough to achieve what we have learned and acquired while we were still here in this institution. Ralph Waldo Emerson said, Do not follow where the path may lead. Go instead where there is no path and leave a trail. My dear classmates, when we walk out of this gymnasium with our diplomas in hand, we will no longer be elementary pupils. As soon as the summer ends, we are going to take on heavier responsibilities, learn new lessons, and reach more goals. Let us never allow the world's definition of what is possible keep us from achieving what we want to achieve. Let us not only dream big, but let us dream grandly. Let us not only reach for the mountain top, let us reach for the stars. Fellow graduates, let us blaze a trail and make a difference. Thank you, and mabuhay ang mga Pilipino na may matitibay na puso.